Okay, let's talk a little bit about different lesions that one might see and how we categorize those different lesions. So the first type of lesion is a focal lesion, and focal means localized. It's very a specific area. So you can see in the middle of the screen, I have a focal lesion. It's very specific, very well defined. An example of this would be a tumor in the spinal cord. Our second is a multifocal lesion. So you can see I'm adding multifocal lesions to the screen. Now, multifocal is going to mean that, again, there are well-defined areas to these lesions, but they're all over the place. So you can see all of the different spots all over the screen with multifocal lesions. Example of something like this would be a metastasized tumor. So we maybe had a lesion, the original lesion was in the liver, and now we have additional lesions in the pancreas or in the spinal cord or in the brain, multifocal lesions. Our final type of lesion is a diffuse lesion, and this means that it's all over the place. Diffuse is very spread out. It's not well defined. It's kind of everywhere. And an example of this would be Alzheimer's disease, where we see someone having multiple areas of the brain affected. And there's an inconsistency between different cases about what would be specifically affected. And everyone's a little bit more unique and different than where we see focal lesions are very well defined.